Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete story on TikTok or how to remove TikTok story video on your TikTok account. So guys, if you want to delete story or story video on your TikTok account, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. So guys, first of all you have to simply go to your profile, and after this from here you can view your story. So guys, here you can see this, you can easily view your story from here. And if you want to delete it, then you have to simply tap on this three dot button, and then here you can see the delete button. Simply tap on delete button, and after this the story will be removed and deleted from your account. And other ways also there, that is you have to simply go to your messages from here, and from here you can see all the stories. So guys, you can see your friends stories or you can see your story as well. So I simply tap on your story, and once you see your story you have to simply again tap on three dots button and then tap on delete from here, and then the story will be removed and deleted from your TikTok account. So guys, in this way you can also delete or remove TikTok story videos or TikTok stories from your TikTok account. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.